Beautiful day. I think we'll make some pizza today. Pool's just finally cleared. Trimmed the trees back a bit. Rained a little this morning, but we're gonna make some pizza today. Made some pizza dough last night. My regular supplier that sells Caputo was not available. Just flashing off the oven a little bit. Got some mushrooms in a cast iron. Just cooking them down. And I like to, Vito's the man, but I like to cook my sauce before I do it. Here's the dough. I'll give you the recipe on the in the notes. Yeah, the dough is over fermented. It's very, very thin. I'm worried I'm gonna have a problem stretching it out, which is why I put it on the peel, because I just figured that I would rip it when I was trying to put it in. You know, this is the advantage of the Caputo 00 is the stretchability. This is just 89-cent flour, but what the heck, it's still pizza. And you can see it's very, very thin, and we'll see what happens here. So this pizza, I'm putting pepperoni, bacon, mushroom, onion, green pepper, and mozzarella cheese. Put a little sauce on. The sauce is still a little warm, which doesn't help with my problem with the dough, but we're gonna make some pizza. Put a little bit of cheese on the bottom before I put the other ingredients. I'm, hoping that the cheese will hold the crust together a little bit. Didn't really work out that way, but. Okay, so the second pizza, I just reballed the dough and let it sit for an hour and a half, and it stretched a lot better. Still looks not great. And at just a little lower temperature in the oven, about 600. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'll be bringing more videos about making pizza and other things in the oven, and just trying to grow my channel. Thanks. Second pizza, a lot better. I like my pizzas well done, as you can see, but much better. The crust is decent color, but I don't know, the bottom cooked okay, but yeah, it's crunchy, but it just doesn't feel right. But we'll give it a taste and see what it's like. So the pizza was good. You know, I've been spoiled with the Caputo 00 flour. This flour's got a different taste. It's very cheap, but still good pizza. I'm gonna see if I can find some Caputo, and I'll make some pizzas with that. The difference is more in the crunch, the taste, and the ability to stretch it out. The Caputo flour makes it so much easier to make very good tasting pizza.